Previously on Wacky Wood Works. And the next project, eventually, somehow, some way, clear all that out and line that. Time's come to do this corner. The bit that I've been dreading. Well, let's do this.
Let's go and make something.
What the hell is that? What do we got? See, we've been up in this corner for a long time. So I've got to remove that. I'm actually tempted to keep the board here. But first of all, I've got to turn off C1, and I've got 3 of them in here, 2 standard loop circuits and a 15 amp circuit, and all of them have been numbered. C1. So if I go up here, I can turn off the main C1. However, that's all of a sudden become dark. This was all in here when I bought the place 10 years ago. Maybe I shouldn't be wearing my good jacket. Knew that was going to do that. Okay, since I don't have an even floor to actually go by, I'm actually going to be working my way down. I want to keep this shelf height, so from the floor joists to there is 1.10 m. I'm going to measure 1.10 m down from here. And if I get my level, line that up, that's pretty level, which is 536. Bad lighting, you see. Don't know what I measured. Okay, didn't quite get that level. This side, the side that I've just put in is a little bit low. I put my finger in it and it's right. And that's come down to being repiled. Totally forgot about that. Out of bullets. Now I know it doesn't look level because these backboards aren't actually level. However, if I put that in there, we're about 1mm out. So there it is, all framed. I'm not going to be going onto the brick wall or anything, it's just that wall and the back wall. I probably will paint the brick wall like I did over in that far corner way over there. Place to put the ply, and the ply should come even with that in theory. So the back wall is probably going to go on first, and then we'll worry about this wall here. Took longer than expected, to be honest. A lot of it was actually just thinking how I'm going to actually do it. What these bits here are, the wood is solid all the way down to about here, and I added this bit in. I should have actually lowered that one a little bit more. I misjudged that one. Now it gives a solid piece, and I did the same over here, which is better. So when the ply goes under, I've actually got something solid to screw into. And then the bottom plate is all solid as well. So you can see up there the repiling of the house. These floorboards are no longer level. It's also affected down there. However, by the time I put another bit of ply there, it'll cover all that, and I'll just put a beading across the top there just to hide that. And I will put some screws in. It's just held up by brads at the moment. Oh, that's way bigger than I thought it was going to be. Woo! Hopefully I got that right, I only guessed it. So as I said, a bit of trimming down the sides, and I've put trimming around as well. I've actually replaced that and put MDF. It's pretty solid. But if you look underneath it, I've also put another brace there. Oh, should have missed. I missed! And I've done the same to this one. On this one I've put a facing trim for wood, and I haven't put one on this one just yet because I'm possibly thinking of trying to cover up this part here because I don't want anything to go under it. I'm just not 100% sure how I'm going to do that just yet. You've all seen me make shelves, so I didn't film that part. It was pretty basic. I'm not going to show you painting. I think you've seen enough painting. Did I mention I don't like painting? I'm pretty sure I have in the past. You're just going to have to believe me, one day I'll paint it. Like I've painted that part. You'll just have to believe me. Anyway, thanks for watching. Kia kaha, stay strong, and catch you next time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time.
Don't forget to go and make something.